Hey guys, welcome back, and this is our first video on HTML. In this channel, we make programming easy, so sit back and relax. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard language used to create websites. It provides the structure to a web page and adds and removes content in the website. It is mandatory for web developers to know HTML. HTML works alongside CSS and JavaScript to create visually appealing websites. If HTML was a house, it would be the foundation of the house. CSS would be the design of the house, like the color and the architect. And finally, JavaScript would be the functionality of the house, the electricity, and plumbing. Today, we will learn how to set up our HTML file for coding. For this video, I will be using Visual Studios. To download Visual Studios, go to code.visualstudio.com and click Download. After downloading, open File Explorer and create a new folder. This folder will hold your code. In Visual Studios, click on Open Folder and then select the file you just created. Click on the new file logo. You will create a new HTML file. Write your file name and please make sure to end it with .html. Also, make sure to create your JavaScript file. Close it with .js and your CSS file. Close it with .css. After making your files, return to your HTML file. If you're using Visual Studios, you can just write the exclamation mark and press Tab. The system writes the code for you. In HTML, there are these things called tags. HTML tags are keywords enclosed in a set of angle brackets. They are used to create content and define the structure of a web page. Most of the time, we have an open and close tag. The open tag is the first tag, and the close tag is the last tag with the same keyword, but a / comes before the keyword. We typically write our code between the tags. In a normal HTML file, we first have the document type set to HTML. For the doc type tag, we start the code with an exclamation mark. Then we have a set of HTML tags. And finally, inside the HTML tags, we have a set of head tags, then a set of body tags. The head is the information of a website, while the body is the content of the website. To add our JavaScript and CSS file to our HTML file, we need to write a script tag and a link tag inside our set of body tags. Write script inside a set of angle brackets and make sure to write a closing tag. After writing script, write inside the angle bracket. Don't write in between the angle brackets. Write src, short for source, followed by an equal sign and a set of quotes. Inside the quotes, write the name of your JavaScript file. Make sure to end it with .js. Boom. Our JavaScript file is connected. Time for our CSS file. On the next line, write link inside a set of angle brackets. We don't need a closing tag. Most tags in HTML are in a pair of open and close tags, but some don't need any closing tags. This is one of them. Inside the angle bracket, write rel, short for relationship, followed by an equal sign and a set of quotes. Inside the quotes, write style sheet, all lowercase with no spaces. Write href followed by an equal sign and a set of quotes. Finally, inside the quotes, write the name for your CSS file. Make sure to end it with .css. And boom, we are all done. This is the setup for our HTML file. We will write many wonderful codes here, God willing. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.